out in a restaurant is a very popular activity for many people around the world. It is a wonderful way to relax with your friends or celebrate a special occasion like a birthday with your family. When you first enter a restaurant, a waiter usually greets you at the door. He or she says hello and shows you to your table. Once you sit down, the waiter provides a menu. The menu is a long list of different dishes and drinks. You can see the prices next to the food. Sometimes there is a special of the day. This is a special meal that is not on the regular menu. The waiter often asks, "Would you like a drink?" You can order water, juice, soda, or something from the wine list. Most people order their meal in 3 different stages. The starter. This is a small amount of food. For example, you can choose a hot soup or a fresh green salad. The main course. This is the largest part of the meal. It usually includes meat, fish, or a vegetarian option. Many people eat this with vegetables or potatoes. The dessert. Finally, many people like to finish their meal with something sweet. Popular desserts are chocolate cake, ice cream, or a bowl of fruit. You can order something by asking, "May I have?" or "I would like," or "Could I have?" Don't forget to say please and thank you when talking to the waiter or waitress. While you are eating, the waiter might come to your table. They ask, "Is everything okay?" or "Can I get you anything else?" When you are finished eating, you are full. You must ask the waiter for the bill. This is the paper that shows how much money you must pay. You can usually choose to pay with cash, paper money, or a credit card. In many countries, it is polite to leave a tip. A tip is a little extra money for the waiter if the service was fast and the food was very good. I hope you enjoyed your meal.